When you receive your turner, you'll see that these are velcroed to the back just for storage. These little posts are stabilizers. They're not supports. If you have a really heavy cup, then they come in handy, but they do not have to touch this post at all times. I always say put your stabilizer in first, put your cross then you're ready to turn. If you need to do something, just wait till the hole comes near the top, drop the screwdriver in, and do what you need to do. Like again, I said again, this is meant to reduce the stress on the connection to the motor. Also, remove this before you restart the motor.